Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS IAM and Amazon SageMaker, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS IAM and Amazon SageMaker, first, log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker console. On the left-hand side, select Notebook Instances. Click on the Create Notebook Instance button. Provide a name for your notebook instance. Choose an instance type that suits your needs. Scroll down to the Permissions and Encryptions section. If you do not have an IAM role, click on Create a new role. In the IAM role creation wizard, ensure your role has necessary permissions for SageMaker and any other services you intend to access. Select SageMaker under the Use Case section and click on Next. Attach the Amazon SageMaker full access policy or any custom policy that fits your use. Complete the role creation process by clicking Create Role. Return to the notebook instance configuration and select the new IAM role from the drop-down menu. Continue to configure any additional settings, such as VPC and lifecycle configurations, if needed. Click on Create Notebook Instance to launch it. Once the instance is in service, go back to the Notebook Instances page. Click on the Open Jupyter link next to your new instance. Upon entering Jupyter, create a new notebook by selecting New and then Python 3. In the first cell of the notebook, import the required libraries by executing the command import boto3. Next, create a client for the service you want to use by running client equals boto3.client service_name, replacing service_name with the desired. You will now be able to access the service, authenticated with your IAM role. To test the authentication, run a simple command, such as print client.list_buckets for S3. If you see the list of buckets, your authentication is successful. You can now begin to leverage AWS services through Amazon SageMaker using your IAM credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.